Sorry about that. It cut off again. We've reached the 10-minute line. So this is going to be a very short episode. I mean, this part of the episode. Alright, here's more coal. You know, they say that your first house on Minecraft should be just a couple of blocks you dug out where you mined coal. And our first house was up in the sky by the second nightfall. Alright. I'm just finding iron everywhere. Iron, iron, where are you? I'm finding you everywhere. Really bad song. Alright. It's done here, up 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 here. I want to explore a cave more, but I need to get back. Whoa, I'm starving. Am I already out of food? Oh my gosh, I need to go home and cook some stuff. Wait, where is home? There it is.
We need a jungle tree.
I know where a jungle is.
Oh, we need a jungle tree.
You know, with cocoa beans, you just can put it on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
I think so. Oh, cocoa beans.
Yeah.
Wait, cocoa beans snacks. I'll be right back.
I just fed cocoa beans to your dog.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you out of cocoa beans now?
Yep.
I'll go get some more. Well,
At least I got some wheat seeds.
from where?
I don't
My dog?
know. I just found them on my desk.
Piggy! Piggy! I'm so sorry, doggy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, jungle. It's that way, I think. Cow! No! Alright, a cow, a cow, a cow, a cow. Kill. And 5. Oh, I still need 3, I think. Maybe there'll be some cows in the jungle. Man, I'm so glad that they added the jungle biome to Xbox. Alright, I found cocoa beans. Maybe I should grab some wood while I'm here. Is there any cows? Cow, 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 cow. Don't worry, cow. I'm just wearing your Aunt Sister's.
Hey! 5 pieces of, you can go chipboard style.
Yeah, I don't want to go chimp boy style. I'm trying to get a chest plate. I Actually, maybe we should get an iron chest plate. No, I want to get an iron helmet. There's a floating block in the middle of the moon. Oh, more cocoa beans.
Cocoa beans. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. 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 Wow.
Alright.
Oh.
Cool.
Man, I should have brought my sword.
So you have to bring your sword to bed?
No.
Alright.
It sounds like
Where's the way back?
Wait, that doesn't have a map.
Yeah, let's see. I am going that way. I need a new sword now.
Then just you out.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
saw it.
yeah.
I saw an Enderman.
Well, I did too, I think. Viewers, can you rewind it and see if you saw an Enderman?
Yeah. Or like rewind.
Go! Go! Go!
Do you not like cows?
I want leather. And he didn't give me any.
After that way, I was thinking about what you said, and I'm gonna bring my sword to bed.
Alright, I'm back. Your screen is going to get a little wacky.
Wacky, wacky, wacky. And the reason why it's all wacky is because our third player. Yep. Oh yeah, that's us.
Alright, I need to go right here. Close iron. Cook the chicken. Let's see what, yeah, I'm going to use iron chest plate.
Hey, your dogs are at your front door.
Huh?
Your dogs are at your front door. Oh, whoops, I've got to jump off my bed. Or my room.
There we go.
Oh, viewers, come see my room. Because it's easy to jump off my room because it's a little gate.
Yeah.
And I can just jump off into the ocean. Wait a minute. I need to get my sword. And
Yeah. It's a movie!
woo!
Alright, is my iron done yet? 7 pieces. Well, we're going to end off the episode with me getting a new iron chest plate.
For an iron sword.
An iron chest plate. Yep, I've got just enough iron to do it.
I need to check on mine.
There we go.
Ooh, my iron sword's gone.
Woo! I'm so cool, yeah. I'm so cool, yeah. I'm so cool, yeah. I'm so cool. Alright, well, remember to like and subscribe the video. And thanks for watching. Bye.